always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again.
Mr. Goose! Mr. Goose! Fox has a game she wants to play with all of us.
Well, let's see what it is.
I made up a game called Show Me. But first, we'll need a number. Hedgehog, spin the wheel. Oh, goody! That's it, Hedgehog. That's the special number. Yay! Mr. Goose, what number is that?
The number 8.
Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 8 on it. Oh, there it is! You did it! Now let's flip the card over and count how many pizza slices there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many in all?
8! Hedgehog, you win! Yay! What do I win? A pizza party! Yay!
I don't think we have any pizza, Fox.
We'll make some pretend pizza with paper and crayons. Come on, Hedgehog!
Today's number is 8. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count Wigglebugs together. 8. There are 8 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many Wigglebugs in all? 8. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
Let's count together.
8.
There are 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many apples in all?
8.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lily pads. Now let's count Mr. Frog's hats together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3? Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the musical instruments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many in all? 4! You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the cattails. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. This story is about a little girl who spends the day with her mama. Let's see what happens. Let's begin. A Very Busy Day. Written by Chisanga Mukuka. Illustrated by El Marto. Designed by Christian Mokuba. Today is a very busy day. Mama and I have lots of things to do and see. We walk to the station and find people waiting in a line. Old people and young people, loud people and quiet people, all going to town. Through the taxi window, I see cars driving by. Fast cars and slow cars, big cars and small cars. There are so many buildings in town. Tall ones and short ones, glass ones and brick ones, everywhere I look. Mama and I walk in and out of shops. Shops for clothes and shops for books, shops for bags and all sorts of things. Mama tries on some shoes. Red shoes and green shoes, high shoes and low shoes. Hello, bonjour, hola, jumbo. In a big store, we fill a cart with food. Boxes of cereals and sacks of fruit, bags of flour and bottles of juice. Mama shows me the toys and asks me to choose. There are soft toys and round toys, loud toys and fast toys. Today, we've bought lots of things. Bags of food and bags of clothes, a pair of shoes, and even some treats. Back at home in our quiet house, I take out the special gift that Mama bought just for me. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It.
We don't know that song.
Ah, you don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Now, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! Now let's do all three. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! That was splendid.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
I!
What's this letter?
J!
What's this letter?
L!
What's this letter?
T!
Now let's do it fast.
I! J! L! T! J! I! T! L! I! T! J! L! I! J! L! T!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter T!
Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter L. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! L.
Great!
I'll try next. L.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. L.
Nice job! You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
L.
Exactly. Uppercase L. And what's this letter?
L.
That's right. Lowercase l. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
L. Look what I see! A butterfly! Let's watch it flutter. Hello, little butterfly. Hey, monkey, cut that out!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under